The other side of Somalia. Under the scorching sun, men plaster walls and lay bricks on buildings. These new buildings are a few kilometers from Mogadishu, Somali's capital. After more than 2 decades of civil war, demand for real estate has risen, and now new housing estates are being built driven by demand. These beautiful villas are being funded by the Somali Bank Salam.
The goal of this project is very simple: to create a new neighborhood for all Somalis. They can buy homes at affordable prices, live in overcrowded neighborhoods of Mogadishu, and come to live here with their families.
Construction of the $20 million project began in 2015 with the aim of offering Somalis a good neighborhood with a good environment away from conflict. With the country's current real estate boom, many Somalis are devoted to pick up the pieces and revive the country amid an economic rise.